clear lines, understated color, and functionality. Design could be from scale or a calculator or a phone. So now we'll be discussing about a good design and its requirements to fulfill and to have a role, and also the benefits of having good design. When a good design is being spoken, we have to see about the innovations, new ideas of making the same function into different ways. Innovations could be like this. And next, if you talk about good design, it should be very useful for day-to-day life. People have different problems. We have to be able to solve those using our ideas, and making it more attractive is the next level of a good design. I mean, the aesthetics of the design should be really important. Like this phone, it should have been more aesthetic. It could be more aesthetic by becoming more thin or changing something else, or changing its color or texture of that material. And if you look at this phone, back when we go back 10 years ago or something like that, we used to not have this type of Android phones, and it wasn't touchscreen. So we started using innovations. So we created a lot of aesthetics improvement, and the product should not be very complex. It should be very simple and understandable to everybody. If it's very difficult, you won't be able to understand the functionality. Like in calculator, we have a lot of functions, but not all of them are useful or understandable for everybody. So it depends on person. So a good design is the one which is lasts long in the market. Which comes and goes is not a good design. Which stays and keeps its benchmark to everybody is a good design. And the design should be really honest, in sense the functionality should be crisp and clear. It shouldn't be like it does something if you click something. If you click on type, it should type. If you click on voice, it should record. So it should be very honest, and it should be long lasting. In a sense, when you take a product for like this calculator, if this product doesn't last long, then this is not a good design. If these buttons wear out or break within the amount of warranty, which is about 1 year, then this is not a good design. This is not an ideal design. So if we talk about environment, we have to make sure that the materials and the designing should be able to be friendly, eco-friendly, and the environment should be not affected by the design of the product. As well as we have to make sure that we have little or small changes. Design should not be like something which is very complex. It should be very small change, but it should impact a lot of people and a lot of different lives.